Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvel here from SixPackFactory.com. Today I'm going to show you another very effective, very powerful home app workout using just an exercise ball. One of these babies. Now, if you don't have any of these, then I've got many workouts where you don't need any equipment. You can just use your body weight. But if you have one of these, I'm going to show you a workout with a few exercises that's really effective. That's really going to hammer your upper, lower, and side abs all in one workout.